Hi everybody, it's Debbie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video and deciding to watch today. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all you do to support my channel. I really appreciate each and every single view, and I'm so glad that you're here. So I was just tidying up a little bit in the kitchen and saw this box and thought, and I usually just toss them into the recycling. This is from Grandmother's Bake Shop, and it had a half a dozen butter tarts in it, and they were really scrumptious. But I thought of all the things that we do in crafting, and I looked at this box and I thought, what a perfect little box to do a little decor DIY. And now that I've thought of this, I'll definitely be keeping these boxes in particular. Not that we get them very often, but once in a while. And yeah, so this box is, where's my ruler? This box is 6.5 inches by almost 9 3/4 inches, and it's the perfect size to put either landscape or portrait view and turn into a little Halloween decor piece. So I'm going to take it, and the first thing that I'm going to do is grab some of this Crafter's acrylic black paint, and I am going to paint around the outside. I'm going to paint the back, the insides, and I'm just going to paint a little edge around here so that everything that is going to show will be black. Now, if you're going to put this on a wall, you don't necessarily have to paint the piece, the back of it, black as well. Or you could add some decorative paper back there if you wanted to. But I think that I'm going to paint mine black because I'll probably set this up on a little end table or something like that, and it'll probably show from more than one side. So that's what I'm going to do first. Okay, so that's, I painted it, and it took the paint pretty good actually. I just painted it on with a sponge. So yeah, it did pretty well. And let me see what I'm going to do. So the next thing I'm going to do, but yeah, no, I have enough of this to use, and I was going to use it for something else, but I've decided that I'm going to use it for the background on this. So I am just going to cut this to size, and so I'm going to put the box right on here, just like that. And I'm just going to draw a line up both sides like that so that I can cut that in the right spot. Grab my trimmer. I'm going to do it with my trimmer because it'll just be quicker and easier. And why not? So yeah, I'm just going to do this. Yes, and now that fits in, and I don't even hardly have to glue it. It's just friction fit, and it'll stay. But I'm going to glue it. I am going to glue it. Let me throw these paper scraps away. Oh, I love that Harlequin paper. It is really adorable. So yeah, let me grab this up. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue in the bottom of this. Like this. Just like this. Just a little bit. I just don't want it to lift up after I get the other elements on, and we'll be good. And I'm going to slide it so that it's right down, because the sides of this box are folded down and they end in here. So if I can slide it right underneath that all the way around, it'll hold it in as well. So yeah, I like how cool that Harlequin paper is. Now I had another little piece just in case I had to fill up that corner in, but I do not believe that I'm going to have to. But what I have for elements for the inside, which I think are going to be really cool, is I bought this K & Company little die cut cardstock. I got them in here backwards, but these little cutouts, and I pulled out the orange ones, I think. Do I want the orange ones, or do I want some purple ones and some black ones? Maybe I need to mix them up. I'm just going to dump these all out here and see what I like. See what I like. So the purple, I love this purple. Ooh, that purple looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, I like that purple. But I think I need something behind the windows of this. So I think what I'm going to do is I have this little piece of black here. So I think I'm going to stick this on here, and then I'm going to fussy cut this out, and then I can pop it up because I want this raised up. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set that aside there. I'm just going to pull, these are supposed to be stickers. So let me see, I haven't tried these yet. Let's see, are they going to come off very easily? I believe these are supposed to be stickers. No, it's just die cut cardstock. So I can glue this. I can peel that all I want to, and I'm not going to get a sticker out of it. So these are die cut cardstock. Let me pop that one little window out first though, because yeah. So let's see what we're going to do with this. And I want it to be glued down good. I don't want it coming back off the paper. This is just a thin little bit of glue I'm putting down, and I'm sure it'll still squeeze out in a few places. So, yeah. I don't have time to craft, but I saw this box and I just wanted to use it. So sometimes we just have to. There. So I'm going to put that one on there and let it dry so I can cut it out. But I have this orange one as well. And I'm just wondering, and I have the black one. Where's the black one? There's the black one. So they have the same ones in each color. And I do like them. I do like them. I think they're really cool. So I think not the black. It's not going to show up well enough. But that does have to dry a little bit. Yeah, that's going to be really cute. So that has to dry so I can cut it out. And what else am I going to put in here for elements? What do we have? The witch. I think the witch. I'd like to use the witch, but I think I want to use her in black. Where is she? I know she's here. There she is. Like that. Yes. I like her as well. Is she just going to glue down on here? I'm not sure how I'm going to put all these pieces on yet. So this is a very thin cardstock. I mean, it's cardstock, but it's a very thin cardstock. and it is really cool. I'm just not sure which pieces that I want to use. That's all. So I have this Trick or Treat. I have Happy Halloween. I have, what are the script? These are cool little elements. Spooky. The cat. The little witch's shoes. There, I have a spider. So I think I'm going to use the spider in black. I don't even know what elements are in here. So the black cat, the Trick or Treat, or the Happy Halloween, the purple house, and I think I'm going to use the black witch and the bats, of course. And then I'd like to put this up above like that, or vice versa. I'm not sure which. Yeah, maybe that underneath and this up above. So it's going to be a lot of playing with this. So I think that's what I'll do. I'll just play with this and then I'll speed this up and you can see what I've made my final decision.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Okay, so I have this much done, but this isn't dry because I had to put a substantial amount of glue on this because I'm using some pool noodle to hold it up. So I am going to take, before that finishes drying, I am going to take the other house and I want it behind and to the outside edge of the first one. So this is what I'm gonna do. I want to make it look like there's more houses, like kind of in the background, I guess. I'm not sure how that will work, but I want to put this one right over here as far as I can. And I'm going to stick it down like this. Right down. I'll put it right down in that glue there if I have to. Then I'm going to put this back down on top of that, like that. Yeah, it's just that little bit of orange behind it, I think, to bring some of the orange from here over to this side. And yeah. Yeah, so I think it's kind of cute. I think it would look lovely. I wish I had more of my crafting supplies here because I think I would take and band around the outside with some nice black and purple Halloween ribbon and then maybe put a bow on top. A lot of this has to dry still. And yeah, but so I like that I put the levels. So I've added a little purple, and that's what gave me the idea for the orange house, was I took the little purple spider and laid it on top and then just offset it for the with the black spider and just offset it. But I've got it raised up in front of these little background bits, the cats in the background. And then I have the bats. So both of the bats are raised to different heights. The wings on this one are coming up. The wings on that one are going down. And I think that by arranging it like this, if you put this up on a shelf in your coffee station, I think this would look quite cute. So yeah, just an idea, don't throw away. This is about 1.5 inches deep, this box, not very deep, just nice enough for me to work with here. And yeah, I just thought I'd try it and see how it turned out. I like it. I think it's as cute as a button. This is a little bigger than the little shadow boxes that you buy from Dollar Tree and Dollarama, and it just gave me a little bit more room to play around with. Anyway, enough of that. If you enjoyed it, you know, let me know in the comments, and by all means, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. Come back and watch some other videos for sure. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye for now, everybody.